Yo, so I realized something that I need to do. So we have this rendered flag, but it should be int last rendered. All right. Let's get a coworker in here. It's probably pretty good for refactors like this. So first we want to look at as has rendered last render level integer in your Quadtree node. Yep, got that. Rendering logic. Yep, we'll get there. And the logic sets a node. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna do these. So, rendered log level. Plot level equals rendered plot level. Okay. Let's pop back over here, change these methods. All right, so far so good. Change these out. Our invocations of them are out here. Push rendered ID instead of this. rendered quad level. Okay, so explain a little bit about what I'm doing while I'm doing this. I think I had a pretty naive implementation of the rendered flag. I realized that it wasn't just good enough to say that a node is rendered. You have to say that a certain WAD level has rendered for a given node, and we have to keep track of that. And that's because we have two different types of WAD updates. One can cause it to split or merge, and the other can cause it to change resolution. Well, if you're not splitting or merging, once your WAD's been updated, you can't, at that point, change the resolution anymore because your flag is rendered. Changing it to a different type doesn't re-render it. So we have to do this so that we can track that. And then after this is done, we're going to look at batch updates for splits and merges so that we can get rid of the flickering of like things getting removed before they should, things like that. Alright, so do this, we come back here, we should have an error wherever we're calling this. Actually we won't because bool can cast the int, but this is wrong. Okay, it's not as simple as I had hoped it would be. I hoped there would be a flag in here already, but there's not. So we're gonna need a one of these references. Where we generate these, we'll need to populate it. We use it all over the place. Lame. Okay, so let's at least get this part subbed out. Remove flip to -1. Everything else flips to whatever the WAD level that was in the in-mesh data. WAD level. Okay, so we changed out here. Oh, because my Quadtree is malformed probably right now, yeah. Bullshit. Bullshit, yo. Okay. The log, node as the last rendered. Node as last rendered WAD level. D. Alright. Now, let's go look for everywhere where it has rendered is referenced. Okay. So if it's a virtual leaf or it hasn't rendered yet, we cannot remove it. Makes sense? If it is a virtual leaf or it's child mod level is not equal to its child's Okay. So if the child is a virtual leaf, so it's supposed to be rendered, or the child, if it's a virtual leaf and its last rendered LOD level is not equal to its LOD level, which means that it hasn't rendered its current LOD level yet. Okay, makes sense. Next. It's not equal to -1. In other words, it's rendered any LOD level is what we're actually looking for here. And then here's where its last rendered LOD level is not equal to T-node last. If it's a virtual leaf, but its current last rendered LOD level is not equal to its current level. In other words, the LOD level has changed and it hasn't rendered it yet. Then we try to retrieve the mesh data. If we can't, we generate it. Let's continue stepping through finding as rendered. Oh shit, there's no way. Is this really it? I felt like it would be a larger restructure than that. Check can remove. do that, we can just statically define the returns here. Okay, last rendered allowed. Okay, and then populate update data. We're gonna look for the render submission. Queue node for update. Here we go. Build update data from node. Go to definition here. Update data dot load level equals this. Okay. Build update data for changes. For changes. Here it is. And this is just invoking build update data for node. It should be fine. Well, does it build? I assumed it would be a larger breaking change than this. And if this works, it's going to be diving into how can we possibly change our split and merge functions to properly submit their results in a way that won't cause it to have occasions where like something gets removed before something gets added. Like the add should always happen first, the remove should always happen after the adds are done. When we do it like that, then we can manage it properly. What succeeded? Is you failed? I mean, fuck it, let's try it. Whoa, what was that? Guess it couldn't have been too important. Oops. Let's not go into my email things. Go. Huh? It rendered. I should have switched it to use the demo camera. Yeah, let's do that real quick. Well, at the very least, We flip this to true so that we can use the editor camera. Because it's just easier to demo it and test it that way. Alright, so we expected to do that. The clearing of nodes here. It's kind of to be expected. I'm pretty satisfied that's doing what it's supposed to be doing here. I'm just gonna... Alright, so batch updates are next. Okay, take a look at how that code is constructed, especially always see what coworker says about that. we already have that. There is another issue. Before a node can be submitted, render queue, its mesh data must be generated from its current block. The mesh data generation should be async. The issue is that when a split or a merge occurs, could we possibly have what if internally we only submit like that idea. That's how we're gonna try to do it. Let's go ahead and push this because it's working pretty well. Hang on. Alright, so next we're going to need also should think about some way to short circuit calls to activate the short circuit changes in queue who have later timestamps than other changes for changes for the same Only the third should get submitted to the render queue. Alright, F-tree structure change results. thinking. So this is a little tricky, right? Because if I do this from a merge, then I'm going to have 4 removed nodes and 1 added node, and the added node is my ID of the node that invoked the merge. But if I do it as a split, let's just try it as a queue real quick first. So Quadtree node, we need a let's just comment this whole block. Stop it. Okay. Who can submit false, true actually? No dot. Any of the mesh data how you do that. It might be okay to just enqueue them all and let our prioritization there take care of it. No, it's gonna be parent actor, queue, update, code change, dot. Huh, I wrote a method for it. Isn't that nice? Give it a shot. Wait, did it break immediately? No? Okay. It's still updating, so that's good. Oh, did an update right there, did an update right here. Did one here, did one there. Did one there. Does take longer. But no more flickering in and out. Oh, we need to ignore -1. T-node is not generating mesh. And T-node T. And then once this works, we'll add change trigger ID update we don't want to generate mesh for things that have a lot of level of -1. It has to receive an update before that happens. That's why we're getting these things here. Oop. He exploded. The mesh generation exploded. I wish I knew what was causing this. I really do. It should ostensibly get fixed the next time a lot of data is pushed through. Alright, and then in the parent actor, update mesh. Let's add some weights in update mesh and make the changes synchronous. That means it shouldn't be able to spam like removes faster. sort of. Don't know why I didn't render that one down there. Might be a short one today, though. I mean, this is progress. I want to play some Magic because they released a new set today, and I also got the cards I needed to make that Geist scam list, and I was doing pretty well with it earlier. All right, well, part of this can be helped by doing what I was talking about with the timestamp coin. Oh, there it goes. I can't move. I can't move. Okay. Alright, I think that's a pretty good stopping point for right now. I'm gonna come back to